think we learned that we have a lot of website work to do.
Yeah, and
We
I
need
would
help.
say of all the, in terms of digital marketing seminars or workshops that
Yes.
I've been to, this has been hands down one of the most informational, helpful, engaging, and giving. We were given some very honest and tangible answers, and a lot of other companies that we had talked to just in planning for a website were very sales oriented, and were focused on just having us as another number, as us as a client, and not really being concerned about injecting themselves into our business and understanding how to help us. They just wanted our money, and I feel like with Jen and Mike that isn't the case. They're far more genuine individuals, and their team is real.
Yeah, I think if I could sum it up into 3 words, it would be honest, eye-opening, and informative. I think that would be my 3 words to describe the class today.